This is the first day where we are in Mykonos Island, Greece. Alright guys, this is day number 1. We came to Mykonos finally, checked in yesterday, and today we are going to get a lot of B-rolls and explore the Greece a little bit. Explore the island a bit. So we are pretty locked on this villa. We don't have much options to go right now. We need to shoot this property and then we're gonna explore the island. So my wife is making a bread. Home fresh made bread is always good. And we are here just enjoying the day in a beautiful property where we're gonna have the project. Our main characters are still coming. As soon as they're gonna come, we will start to shoot the interiors and all the stuff. Yesterday we did some location scouting around the area, and I was pretty happy with the result, and now we know where we're gonna shoot the interiors and stuff. And also I was using a drone yesterday, fly over the area, but there are some things that you need to know before you fly in here. So I was registering my drone in the EU space, and I just was seeing the helicopter was flying not that high, and so the area is pretty loaded with the flying objects. So I set my drone on the altitude of up to 50 meters, not above that, and I was flying through the area. The target is pretty much to get some nice B-rolls with the property, but the point is, here in Greece the sun quite a bit different than in Thailand. The sunset is like 8 o'clock and the sun is rising up pretty much early, so there is longer days but less juicy opportunities to get pretty cozy lights on the property. Sometimes you need to be a set director just to see what you're shooting, because things can be pretty much messed up and we don't want to mess up things. We need everything to be arranged nicely. To be honest, I prefer more softer lights, like everybody does. See what I'm saying? There was a bottle stain here all the time. Oh, fuck. Now I need to reshoot everything again. So yeah, this is how it works. Like for me personally, if I see anything like that in a shot, like a plastic bottle or any plastic object, napkin, whatever you name it, you always need to take care of these things, because it's one of these things just can destroy your shot, like all aesthetic of the shot. Here we go. And of course you need to take care of yourself mirroring in the windows, which I am right now, but I think I'm gonna mask it up on the post-production. Looks quite nice, but this chair staying there so bad. Well, I definitely want to reshoot this one when the sun is much softer, but we're gonna have people joining us today, so we'll be pretty much limited in empty spaces. People are gonna hang out everywhere. I will definitely come back for the sunset time just to combine it. Trying to get a few B-rolls of the surrounding area, so it's not the primary shots, but we'll try to get something. Yeah, I guess the only thing you see on my channel now is the boat. This is 50mm. That's a nice one. Sometimes you need to have your tools next to you just to be able to fix minor things. Like I have my running after the flight start to wiggle and losing connections, so I need to tighten up all the little screws inside of this little arms to be able to put it back and be able to use it without any wiggling and without shakiness and feeling of not stable equipment. So to have tools is a really good idea, and I actually didn't get enough, and the problem is I need like 90-degree screw that's gonna fit here, because none of this is getting the right position in this little tiny space right here. So anyway, I'm managing to tight it, and location is almost done. The sun is almost set to the right position, and we'll continue to shoot. So guys, I'm preparing for the evening shots when the sun gonna be in the right position. As I mentioned before, in Thailand the sun is a little bit different. The strongest hours are mostly in 1 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, from 1 to 2, and here the sun is the days are more longer, and the sun stays in the high position for a longer period of time. Now it's like 5 o'clock in the evening and the sun is still strong. If you're gonna see here, you will see the shadows there, not too long, so the sun is pretty strong. So I'm waiting for the sun being soft, and until that I'm preparing my gear, fixing the bugs, and preparing myself for the good shots. This is round 2 of today's shoot of the property. The sun already in a different position, so here I am ready to shoot. Get a lot of details also, so I'm shooting this stuff. I think they're looking pretty tasty, but it's still really good. I like this evening sun, and of course I will shoot a little bit later too, just to see if I can get better shots. You can see some clouds, probably will be hazy today again. about that, but may I ask you to relocate for 1 minute at least? Just 1 minute, I'm gonna complete it here and that's it. Sorry about that. hope you enjoyed this video. I will be working on the second video really soon, and I hope you like it. Please drop a like and let me know if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them. Until that, see you in the next one.